Today at Gunnedah Toyota, we will be showing you the features of a Toyota Prado reversing camera. Please note that most Toyota reversing cameras are similar, but please refer to your owner's manual for more specific information on your particular Toyota. When the vehicle is placed into reverse, the camera will appear in the audio display. The blue lines on the left and the right show the width of the vehicle and where the system estimates the vehicle will go. The red line is about 45 centimetres behind the car. The next blue line is about 1 metre behind the rear of the vehicle. Now there are various elements that can affect the reversing camera. Please refer to your owner's manual for more information. So for more helpful tips or assistance with your reversing camera, please call one of our friendly staff at Gunnedah Toyota on 6742 3322 or pop in and see us at our dealership today.